Welcome back to the Black Wheels, where we explore the rare, the powerful, and the extraordinary in the world of luxury automobiles. Today we're taking a journey into the heart of ultimate craftsmanship, the 2025 Rolls Royce Phantom. This isn't just a car, it's a living piece of history, symbol of success, and for many, the ultimate dream on four wheels. But what makes the Phantom stand apart? Even in a world filled with Bentleys, Maybachs, and hypercars, stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, we'll unravel the design, the craftsmanship, the performance, and the sheer magic that makes the Phantom the most respected luxury sedan on the planet. Exterior design and road presence. The Phantom doesn't just drive down the road, it owns it. At the very front, the spirit of ecstasy, that graceful figurine, emerges proudly, setting the tone for everything behind it. For over a century, it has symbolized elegance, and in 2025, it now sits slightly recessed for improved aerodynamics, while still commanding absolute presence. Behind it rests the signature Pantheon grille, carved with precision, standing tall like the entrance to an ancient temple. Chrome-plated vertical slats gleam in the sunlight, each polished by hand. The headlamps are pure artistry, laser-cut LEDs with intricate detailing that sparkle like jewelry. At night, they're not just headlights, they're beacons. Move along the body, and the sheer size of the Phantom strikes you. It's nearly 6 meters in length, with long sweeping lines and a roofline that flows like a yacht's deck. This is less a car and more a statement of timeless authority. Every detail, from the flush door handles to the polished alloy wheels, is designed with one purpose: to ensure the Phantom is recognized instantly, even from a distance. Interior craftsmanship and comfort step inside, and the world outside vanishes. This is where Rolls-Royce truly separates itself from everyone else. The coach doors, opening backward with effortless grace, invite you into a sanctuary unlike any other. The cabin is a world of silence. Engineers added over 130 kilograms of soundproofing materials, double-glazed acoustic glass, and specially designed tires with foam insulation to remove even the faintest road noise. It's as if the world itself goes quiet when you close the door. The seats are sculpted from the world's finest leathers, sourced from cattle raised without barbed wire to avoid imperfections. Each panel is dyed naturally, hand-stitched with a perfectionist's eye. Across the dashboard lies the gallery, a customizable display of art that can house everything from hand-painted silk to precious metals, or even your own commissioned masterpiece. Above, the starlight headliner transforms the ceiling into a starry night sky. Over 1,000 fiber-optic lights are hand-placed into the roof lining, and you can even customize constellations to match your birth date. Imagine driving under your very own galaxy. For passengers in the rear, this is not just a car seat, it's a private lounge. Heated, ventilated, massaging thrones that recline like an airline's first-class suite. A champagne cooler awaits at arm's reach, with crystal glasses hand-etched with the Rolls-Royce insignia. In the Phantom, comfort isn't a feature, it's a philosophy. Performance and driving experience. Now let's talk about the heart beneath that elegant skin. The Phantom is powered by a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12. It's producing 563 horsepower and a staggering 900 newton-meters of torque. But here's the secret. Rolls-Royce never chases numbers. It's not about 0 to 60 times, though it manages it in just over 5 seconds despite weighing nearly 3 tons. What truly matters is effortless power. No drama, no roar, just a silent surge forward, as if you're gliding on invisible rails. The Magic Carpet Ride suspension uses cameras to scan the road ahead, adjusting dampers and air suspension in real time. Potholes, bumps, imperfections, they're simply erased. Behind the wheel, the Phantom feels light, despite its size, the steering soft yet precise, the road beneath you almost unreal. Driving it isn't about adrenaline, it's about serenity. It's not so much driving as it is commanding the road with absolute authority. Technology and innovation. While many luxury cars shout about their technology, the Phantom whispers. Behind its handcrafted veneer lie some of the most advanced systems available. A fully digital driver display blends seamlessly into the classic dials, offering navigation, safety alerts, and customization options. Rear passengers enjoy hidden touchscreen monitors, fold-out tables for business or leisure, and Wi-Fi connectivity that turns the Phantom into a mobile office or a private cinema. And then there's the bespoke audio system, 18 speakers, strategically placed, delivering perfect acoustics no matter where you sit. Engineers even use the hollow space in the car's sills as resonance chambers for deeper bass. It's not just listening to music, it's living inside it. Technology here doesn't dominate. It disappears into the background, working only to elevate the experience of luxury. Comparison and prestige. Competitors like the Bentley Mulsanne or the Mercedes Maybach S680 offer extraordinary comfort and power. But the Phantom? It doesn't compete, it reigns. The difference is intangible. When you arrive in a Maybach, people see success. When you arrive in a Phantom, they see legacy. This is why world leaders, celebrities, and royalty have chosen the Phantom for generations. It isn't just about luxury, it's about owning a piece of history that will outlive trends and rivals, real-world impressions. Imagine gliding through city streets at midnight, the starlight headliner above you, the world outside muted, and the spirit of ecstasy leading your way. Or arriving at a gala, and as the coach door opens, onlookers know instantly this isn't just an expensive car. This is the Phantom. It's a vehicle that transforms every journey into theater. Whether chauffeured or self-driven, the Phantom is never about getting from A to B. It's about experiencing the space in between. The 2025 Rolls Royce Phantom isn't simply transportation. It's a moving palace. A rolling canvas of craftsmanship, performance, and prestige. So I want to ask you, if you had the chance to own a Phantom, what would your bespoke touch be? Would you choose a custom headliner, personalized gallery, or your own signature stitched into the leather? Share your vision in the comments. I'd love to hear your dream Phantom design. If you enjoyed this journey into automotive royalty, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Black Wheels, and hit the bell icon for more explorations into the world of luxury cars. Until next time, keep your wheels black and your standards golden.